Hi guys. Today let's talk about a definite chief aim and baseline behavior. Now, the main thing I'm really trying to drive home today is what's the point of a definite chief aim? A definite chief aim is kind of like setting a new standard for yourself. I'm sure you've heard of the thermostat example before. You set a thermostat to 82, it might dip down to 79, or it might bump up to 86. But eventually it's going to fall back down to 82 because that's where the thermostat is set. Now, what you're doing when you have a definite chief aim, you're keeping that image in front of you at all times. And the reason I wanted to talk about this today was I was at the gym, and one thing that I was very successful at early on was achieving my fitness goals. A long time ago, I set a goal to be 190, and at the time I was 160, and I stay really lean, so I did pack on a lot of muscle at that time. Right now, I'm probably at 170, and that's just because with COVID, I stopped working out. But even so, I know that my weight bounces right back up to 190 the minute I want to, because that's where the baseline is set in my mind. But what happened was I set a goal for myself, and here's the funny thing is I had a very clear picture of where I was headed, and I really wanted it, and I believed I could attain it. And then I took massive action while focusing on that goal. For me, at the time, it was around 2010, and I was in college, and I really wanted to be fit because a lot of those Marvel movies were coming out. Thor was super fit, and Daniel Craig was super fit in his James Bond movies. I really wanted to pack on size because I was a very skinny guy. I set that goal, and over the course of about a year and a half, I was able to gain so much muscle just by focusing on that goal and taking massive action. So, definite chief aim, it's setting a new standard. Keep that before you take massive action. Once you get there, it'll be automatic for you. It'll be a new standard. And you can't live any other way. Good luck.